Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two GPU brace support products to help you find the best option for your computer setup. As always, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Let's get started. Starting with the design and material, both products provide strong and long-lasting support for your GPU. Product 1 features an all-aluminum metal material, anodized by aluminum alloy CNC process. On the other hand, Product 2 is also made of all-aluminum metal instead of plastic, ensuring long-term durability. Both designs are compatible with various computer cases and motherboards, making installation a breeze. Additionally, anti-slip mats and non-slip rubber pads are present in both products to protect your graphics card and prevent scratches. When it comes to adjustability and compatibility, both products excel. Product 1 offers a sliding adjustment design, allowing compatibility with traditional MATX, ITX, and long power supply bays. It can easily adapt to various chassis configurations. Product 2, on the other hand, features a screw adjustment design, enabling you to adjust the height according to your computer case and motherboard. It provides a supportable height range of 78 to 128 millimeters. Both designs offer flexibility to cater to different user hosts and setups. Now, let's talk about installation and stability. Product 1 incorporates a bottom and support modules equipped with anti-slip mats, ensuring a secure fit and preventing any unwanted movement. On the other hand, Product 2 makes installation easier with its hidden magnet design. The magnet hidden in the base allows for stable standing in the chassis, providing you with added convenience and peace of mind. Both products prioritize stability and ease of installation, making it hassle-free for you to set up your GPU brace support. And that wraps up our comparison video for these two fantastic GPU brace supports. Both Product 1 and Product 2 offer unique features and benefits for your computer setup. Whether you prefer the sliding adjustment design of Product 1 or the screw adjustment design of Product 2, rest assured that both options provide reliable support to your graphics card. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below which product you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.